Alright guys, well this is the second time I've done this today. I got my little code reader here. Lately I've been having misfires, cylinder 6 misfire and stuff, and I did all the regular maintenance, to do for it. Okay. Got, as you guys know, I got new cap, rotor, plugs, and wires. And, ran fine for, a couple of weeks or so, and then all of a sudden it started running rough and crappy again. So, looking back, Dodge has the poor design that where they don't have the fuel filter under the, frame. It's all in the gas tank. It's unserviceable, which is kind of retarded. So, I got one or two things wrong with this right now. And I bought a $65 injector on number 6 because I'm having a number 6 misfire. And I bought a $65 injector, and it still runs like crap. It runs junky. And I'm trying to run the fuel out of this tank right now. I'm at a quarter of a tank or below. And I'm going to put this fuel injector clean this gum out stuff, and it's concentrated, times 2 by this other kind. And we'll see if it'll do anything. But we've tried everything, and I am stumped. And they were saying about the plenum gasket, which is underneath here, and we figured it's been replaced because when we got this truck, all the injectors and all these wires had tags on them, had like duct tape tags like this, all numbered and stuff. We figured, yes, the plenum gasket's replaced because it's a bastard to replace that. But, I've been reading up and stuff, and that's what they're saying. Check your plenum gaskets and check your heads and all that. So, I don't know. Let's go inside and take a look. Gotta turn the car on. Yeah, because I'm having engine light coming on all the time. So let's go here to Vehicle Diagnostics. Enter. I don't know if you can read that. Read codes. Enter. Working. Cylinder 6 misfire. I don't know if you guys can read that. It's not focusing right, but it says cylinder 6 misfire detected. P0306, meaning bank on the other side of the bank of cylinder 6 is misfiring. This is the second time I've done this today, and I've cleared the codes and stuff, and it still keeps popping up and popping up. So I'm lost. So, if anybody's got out there, it's got a 5.9 liter V8, the 360, has this problem, let me know. Because I've been looking up on YouTube and on Google and all that stuff, and it's still, I still can't find anything out. So, I'm stuck. I'm lost. Hopefully I don't have to replace the plenum gasket. But, yeah, later on tonight, hopefully I'm going to check the compression, see if I have a weak compression. Let's hope I don't have burnt valves. And let's just hope it's something simple, I hope it's not the fuel pump, because the fuel pump you either have to drop the tank or take the box off, which is kind of a piss poor design of Dodge. But yeah, shouldn't be too bad. There it is right there. You can see it right there. But yeah, piss poor design of Dodge. It's a Mopar. What do you expect? Mopar, no car. But I'm just kind of disappointed on this. I haven't had this truck in like 5 months almost, and it's running like crap. It's not doing me good. So I'll keep you updated, and I'll see what's up. Nothing new to the truck. But keep you updated, guys. If you can help me, that'd be awesome. Alright, thank you. Oh, and to prove that it's running rough, watch. If you can watch the needle. She's bouncing up a little bit, down a little bit, up a little bit. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but it's moving a little bit good. But here's another way you can test it. Hear that? Here I was going poof, poof, puff, puff. Yeah, she's a misfire. No clue. Tried everything in the book. Still runs like crap. Normal stuff. Trying to run the gas tank out of it, like I said, you know, I got a quarter, so only 98,000, almost 99, and it's running like crap. So if you guys can help me out, that'd be so awesome.